I want to show you 5 simple football drills that can completely transform your dribbling skills, even if you've just started playing or you're someone who struggles with keeping control under pressure. When I was training with a winger who once got a trial at a top European academy, his coach told me something that stuck with me. Dribbling isn't about speed, it's about control, rhythm, and confidence. These drills are exactly what he used with us, and trust me, they work. Let's take them one at a time. Drill 1. The cone weave, build close control. Start by setting up 5 or 6 cones in a straight line, keeping about 1 foot of space between each. You don't need actual cones. Water bottles or shoes will work just fine. Now, begin weaving through the cones slowly, using only your right foot. Focus on the inside and outside of your foot to guide the ball. Once you're comfortable, switch to only your left foot. Finally, combine both feet and go full speed. The goal here is to keep the ball very close to your feet, never more than a step ahead of you. Each touch should feel like you're inviting the ball to stay with you, not chasing after it. I remember one of the hints during my training session. It was something brilliant. Don't chase the ball, make the ball chase you. That single idea changed how I saw dribbling. It made me realize that great dribblers don't move wildly, they glide, because they're in total control. Drill 2. The toe tap shuffle. Improve foot speed and rhythm. This is probably the easiest drill, and it's the one I do first in every session. Stand over the ball and gently tap the top of it, switching feet quickly. Try doing it for 30 seconds, rest, and repeat 3 sets. Then take it up a level by shuffling left and right while keeping the taps going. This drill trains coordination, balance, and rhythm. 3 things every great dribbler has. You'll notice your feet becoming faster and your reactions sharper. There was a guy I trained with who idolized Neymar. He wasn't the fastest on the pitch, but he could dance around players like it was nothing. This was the drill he called his confidence starter. He said, "If I can hear the rhythm of my feet, I know I'm ready." That rhythm, it's like music. And once you feel it, your movement starts to flow like a freestyle. Drill 3. Inside-outside touches. Master direction changes. Stand with the ball in front of you. Use the inside of your foot to push the ball across your body, then immediately use the outside of the same foot to push it forward again. Repeat this for about 30 seconds, then switch feet. This drill is key for learning how to fake and shift direction quickly, especially in one-on-one situations. It's how you beat defenders without tricks. The best wingers don't beat you with step-overs, they beat you with timing. When you master this movement, you'll start noticing how players like NEYMAR'S or Arjen Robben don't do anything flashy. They just change direction with the perfect touch. That's what this drill builds. Start slow. It's not about speed at first, it's about control and accuracy. When you get it right, you'll feel like you're sculpting the ball with your foot. Drill 4. The Vpole drill. Develop ball control under pressure. This one is all about quick recovery and sharp movement. Start by placing the sole of your foot on the ball, dragging it back, and then pushing it sideways using the inside of your opposite foot. The motion should look like a V. Practice 3 sets of 30 seconds, alternating directions and feet. This is a move I now use when I'm surrounded. It lets me escape tight spaces without panicking. One coach called it the panic button move. When you're boxed in and don't have time to think, this move buys you time. This drill also gets you used to using the sole of your foot, something a lot of beginners ignore. But watch players like Eden Hazard. They always use the bottom of their foot to change pace, drag the ball, or fake a pass. Drill 5. The 1-meter box dribble. Control in small spaces. Set up 4 cones in a small square, about 1 meter by 1 meter. Your goal is to keep the ball moving inside that square without letting it roll out. Use inside touches, outside touches, and the sole to move around the edges. Go clockwise, then switch. This drill might look simple, but it teaches the most important dribbling skill of all: composure. If you can keep the ball close in a tight box, then during matches, you'll feel 10x more confident when you're under pressure. My coach told us, train in a box, and you'll rule the pitch. He was right. Once I started doing this regularly, I noticed that my confidence went up. I didn't panic when 3 defenders surrounded me. I already knew how to escape tight corners. Final thoughts. Let the ball obey you. These 5 drills may look basic, but they build everything you need: quick feet, control, balance, and decision-making. You don't need to train for hours. Just doing 10 to 15 minutes of these drills daily will set you apart from most players your age. Dribbling isn't about doing 10 step-overs in a row. It's about moving the ball like it's attached to your body. So, next time you go out to train, don't worry about being flashy. Focus on control. Focus on rhythm. Focus on the drills that make the ball listen to you. And remember, you're not just training to dribble. You're training to become a player that defenders fear.